I think we are addressing you in a ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମୁଁ ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲି ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହୁଥିଲି ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ I do not think I should address you in Odia. Now actually this is a very, very challenging time. The college will be open when there is no answer. Maybe August, maybe September, or maybe October. I don't know. Nobody knows. So I hope that you are understanding this situation, which is now being said as a pandemic situation. So one has to rise high and take him to adapt to the new situation. What is that new situation to you? That you must have to use the time most valuably. What is the most important work for you now? Study, nothing else. Somebody says that we are overburdened. Somebody says we are not getting the benefit because we don't have the mobile with us. That is all local issues. So how you will have to address that, that is your responsibility. So you must, I repeat, you must utilize the benefits Kesavdham is extending to you. Always Kesavdham is in steadfast step. Not, we are not lagging behind. Most of the colleges are not in tune with what we are doing. Everyday teachers are now coming, all senior teachers are coming to the college, all others are also in the campus, and this video lesson had been prepared in the college itself. Till now I was sending you the video lessons from the home. My grandson was helping me. I don't know whether this is slightly improved, maybe slightly improved. The voice, the visual must have been more clear. Well, I was doing in a room, but here we are doing it in the computer lab. Little after, Saroj sir will start his recording, and appropriate time he will send it to you. You go through the material, look to the videos along with the material, answer the assignments which have been sent to you concurrently with the material. I am given the impression by Ritiranda Gurma that you have answered the assignments and you have shown them to her. I am satisfied that. Later on, I will send you 1 mark questions based on these through WhatsApp route. And you will try to solve those things. I don't think it will be very difficult. This mechanism, I am addressing you, this mechanism, you do not bother the mechanism in a way that you cannot make out a mental work at your level to write down a curly head mechanism. No. The product has to be known. And then the explanation comes how this must have been happened. When the bonds, where the bonds must have broken and where the bonds have been made. Because essentially, reaction is a process of 2 things only. Yes, 2 things. Bond breaks and new bonds are formed. And for that, the necessary parameters must work. Several parameters are there, whether the approaching bonded atoms are in proper direction, what we call the overlapping orbitals. Next, whether the energy profile is okay, that means the amount of energy needed to break the bond, that the threshold frequency for a particular bond breaking is there. In crystal structure, it is the lattice energy. In the covalent molecules, several factors are there. Van der Waals force, the ion-ion dipole force, or the hydrogen bond, several such forces apply. So as you go, as you grow, you will know. But first and foremost thing is, organic chemistry is very simple but very complicated in a sense that so many atoms are in so many arrangements and so many bonds, where the bond will break and where the bond will form. But organic chemistry is so alluring, so imaginative and so curious and so fascinating that one can know it. I was talking to your Guruma Prityananda after this ether is over. She will taught you the electrochemistry, and electrochemistry is a very, very important branch where from the questions will be coming and are coming always. So, my dear students, now after a brief while again I will come in contact with you, and I have told her that before this organic chemistry part closes, you can list out your difficulties and join me in Google Meet and get your doubts clarified, and I am quite sure these doubts Prityananda Guruma can easily handle. Nothing is that great that I am the only person to explain you. No, absolutely I am not in that field that she can do it. The material is there, you can understand it, you can practice it, and practicing the whole thing is very, very important. Writing down the structures, I have told you a number of times that how can you write the radicals for 4 and 5 carbon atoms? What is secondary butyl, what is tertiary butyl, what is neopentyl, what is secondary pentyl, what is isobutyl, all these structures you must be writing 1 second. So these are the very important things. So I am closing my chapter. I have already taught you 4 chapters. I think this is a very clear message to you. Haloalkane, haloarine, alcohol, phenol, these are not 4, 5. Haloalkane, haloarine, alcohol, phenol comes to 4, and each 5 chapters we have already covered. Then the chapter that comes is very important for this examination. This year's examination is very important for aldehydes and ketones, which we will be discussing after the electrochemistry. I hope this is my, for the present, address to you, and you are always at liberty to call me in my number. I am taking the messages. Anybody calls me in my number. I have given you the number, and once again I am repeating the number 9439 9439 00 00 333 943900 3330. We have no difficulty in attending to your phone call. So it is now your duty to call if there is a difficulty. Otherwise,